What's up, my friends? There are two crucial things that you need to know about this steamer before you spend your money on it. I'm going to talk about those two things in just a second. But first, let's go over some of the features and what it's like to actually use this thing. This is a one-trick pony. It literally has one function and it does it pretty well. So this is obviously a small handheld steamer, and you're looking at this as an option opposed to some of the bigger steamers that have hoses and are on a big handle and wheels and all that sort of stuff. And we've really loved this. This is also really nice for travel. It is a corded steamer. It's not rechargeable. The cord on it is about 6 feet long. So that is the one thing I will say about this steamer, that I would have built in a much longer cord. But however, for travel, all of that sort of stuff, it is a heavy duty cord because of the amount of power that it pulls. So it would have been quite a bit and a little bit heavy for travel. So I get why they went a little bit shorter on the cord. They do put a nice little Velcro cord management system on it here so that you can wind the cord up and package it all up nice to go for when you travel with it. It also comes with a travel bag right here that you can throw everything in and cinch shut. So operation on this thing, super simple. You have one single button. Out like that is off, in like that is on. It takes about 15 seconds to heat up and start producing steam, and then you're ready to go. When you're ready to fill it with water, has this little door right here. It's a nice rubber door. It seals pretty well, opens up, and you have that water chamber right there. So it essentially holds about this much steam inside the handle. You get about 11 to 12 minutes of steam before you need to refill it, which isn't a problem. You're usually steaming in the bathroom anyway. So just, hopping over and grabbing a little bit more water has never been a big deal, at least for me. I think it's a cute little unit. They've got cool colors. They've got a big color selection, super easy to operate. So now I'm gonna actually show you how it works on a piece of clothing. In order to fill it up, I just open up that little trap door. I'm just gonna pour some water in there. One thing I forgot to mention is there is an LED indicator light right here. So that's going to both indicate when it's ready and it's steaming. It's also going to indicate when it's out of water. So let's take a look at how this thing works. When I first plug it in, this LED light's going to light up. That lets me know it's heating up, and just that quick, it was hot enough for steam. So all we have to do to get the steam now is push the button. And instantly we got steam flowing. So you can lay your clothes flat, or you can hang them up. Either way works just fine for this steamer. Just running it over. You don't want to hold on one spot too long, but you can see it starting to take the wrinkles out right here. So once I'm done, all I have to do is turn it off, let it sit. The nice thing is while I have the steam off, as long as it's plugged in, this thing stays heated. So I'm not waiting for it to reheat. Now, just word of caution, be careful. Obviously, the steam that comes out of here is insanely hot and it can burn you. So you want to keep your fingers away from those holes, keep hands away, faces, any kind of skin away from those holes while it's on. You can see it off gases just a little bit there, but as soon as I'm ready to go again, I push the button and it's ready to go. All right, my friends, this steamer has been super useful to have around the house and to have available for traveling. Every time you're done using it, just empty out the water container. Just open that up over the sink, empty it out, and refill with new water every single time. That way you don't get any kind of mildewing or leaking or anything unexpected. But otherwise, super easy to use, very, very useful. We loved having it. Hope this video has been helpful in deciding whether or not this is the right portable steamer for you. Thank you so much for watching. Peace, everybody.